What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress teams, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to submit your website sitemap on Yandex Webmaster tools. It's almost like the Google from Russia, okay? Into the previous video that I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here, we did learn how to submit our site, how to add our site on Yandex Webmaster tools, and how to verify ownership. And now we're gonna submit our sitemap so the search engine can crawl all your posts, pages, portfolio posts, products, anything you have on your site, okay? First thing, you must have a sitemap. If you're using WordPress, go to your WordPress dashboard to access, enter on the browser address bar your domain plus WP admin, enter with login credentials, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and hit the submenu add plugin, okay? Into the upper right corner of our screen, we're going to be able to see a field called search plugins. You can type SEO, just like this. Most of the plugins you can find here are going to have sitemap options. I'm going to be using the Yoast SEO, so click on install now. After, go back to our WordPress after activation. Of course, you can use the free version, no worries, no need to purchase Pro. You can stay for free. Go back to our WordPress dashboard. Hover mouse over Yoast SEO and hit the submenu settings. You're going to be able to see site features. We're going to scroll down. And right here, you're going to be able to see all the features that the plugin can enable or disable. And on APIs we have XML Sitemaps. Click on View Sitemaps. Copy this address right here. This is very important. Now go to our Yandex Webmaster dashboard. Okay, so webmaster.yandex.com sites. Select the site. This is the one I just have added. Now review the left sidebar of menus, go to indexing, sitemap files. There is no sitemap added, so I'm gonna place the code that I just have copied right here, click on add, sitemap added, processing. So it's gonna take up to a week to process this sitemap and to let Yandex Webmaster to know every single URL we have on our site. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!